The combination of hot air with steaming creates unique, natural roasted flavors and offers new possibilities when cooking. Simple and practical, but with that certain something. This function also offers you a healthy alternative to deep frying. The result is just as crispy, but cooked with much less oil, and it takes less effort too. The appliance regulates the steam fully automatically. The combination of hot air and steam accelerates the cooking process while ensuring food is crisp on the outside and tender on the inside. One simple touch is all it takes to switch the steam off and on again. And here's a tip. If you switch off the steam towards the end of the cooking time, the air dries out and the chicken will be even crispier on the outside. Perfectly juicy with an intense flavor. Even fast food becomes healthier and better for your guilty conscience when using hot air with steaming.